Hi there, this is Melanie from Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, and today we're going to use this IOD paintable transfer with something a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, and this is just the natural wood. I didn't paint it first, so let's see how this goes. All right, so get your transfer, and if you want to use the whole thing like I am here, you just want to position it, get it straight to where you think it's going to look right. Now it's time to start rubbing using the applique stick that comes with the transfers. But you showed me how to believe. As you can see, when the transfer releases from the transfer paper and onto your piece, it turns a milky color, and that's how you know it's released. Hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. My drawers first, and then went back to do the creases. I went back with a razor blade to cut the transfer for the drawers, and then I got that seam nice and good and used my fingers to push the tails of the transfers onto the lip of the drawers. Using an array of colors, I have them in little cups with little tiny brushes, a little bit of water to dilute them, and now I'm going to start painting, just highlighting really in places that I think will look nice. Need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment. You can find Iron Organ Designs transfers on my website at www.windmillvintagedesigns.com. Using a damp paper towel to blot off the paint seemed to work really well and made it just look better. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand. I went back with DIY's dark wax over the entire piece to freshen it up and make it look like it was freshly stained. Yeah, I will love you for it all. In about an hour, when that wax was dry, I buffed it off, and now all my color came back out. I'm really happy with the way this looks. Tell me what you think in the comments below.